Christmas morning. No more time to sleep. Open up your eyes. Come on, take a peep. You see the snow laying on the ground. But something's different, changes all around. 'Cause you see the world with brand new eyes at Christmas. At Christmas.
You see the deer is swaying as it's drinking from a pond. You'll see icicles sparkle like they're from a magic wand.
You'll notice every partridge up there in a pear tree.
You'll understand how much it means to have a family. 'Cause you see the world with brand new eyes at Christmas. At Christmas.
The beauty of a beehive.
The mystery of a cave.
The magic of a snowflake.
The power of a wave. The rushing of the wind.
The cuteness of a chickadee. The warm and happy feeling between you and me.
Come see it on the mountain, come see it at the sea. Open up your eyes, come see it all with me. Come see the world with brand new eyes. Come see the world with brand new eyes. On Christmas, on Christmas, on Christmas.
What do you love about the holidays?
I love all the lights and all the different decorations. I love to spend it with my family.
Celebrate everything you love about the holidays with all your friends, all in one place on PBS Kids. Celebrate the holidays with PBS Kids.
Wow!
And a special holiday adventure from Pinkalicious and Peterific. Get creative
Hello!
Hey!
and join Pinkalicious and her family on a journey to make the best gingerbread house ever.
Ooh! Thank you! Pink amazing!
Celebrate the holidays with all your favorite friends. Streaming now free on PBS Kids.
Major funding for NatureCat is provided by the Van Akron family, founders of Lando Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country, and by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation. Additional support is provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, Koch Brothers Foundation, Sage Foundation, Philip F. Schock Charitable Trust. Major funding for A Nature Carol is provided by the Granger Foundation. NatureCat is made possible in part by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions from viewers like you. Thank you.
Through the woods. A snowy morning. Do you think it snowed in the woods, too?
I think so, Ryder.
What about at Grammy's? Do you think it snowed over there?
Bet it did, buddy.
I can't wait to see. Come on, Wolfie.
Hang on. Don't forget these.
And don't forget the...
Got it. Love you. Whoa! I don't think we're in our woods anymore, Wolfie. I think we're in a new place. A snowy place. And it's called Winterlandia. Hiya, squirrel. There are squirrels in Winterlandia, just like at home. Look, paw prints. Look, Wolfie, this Winterlandia bird made footprints too. They look different than the squirrels. And yours look different from the birds. And mine look different from yours. Huh. There's more. I wonder what animals made these footprints. One of them has a footprint that's bigger than yours, Wolfie. Do you think that means the animal is bigger than you? Could it be a lion or a tiger or maybe a snow leopard? Come on, let's find out. Whoa. It was them. They made the footprints. Whoa. Let's go tell Grammy what we saw in Winterlandia.
Hello, my rider.
Grammy, we just saw deer.
You did?
Yes, and they were in the snow, and there were 3 of them, and it was amazing. They looked at me.
That is something very, very special to see, Ryder. You and Wolfie must have been very quiet.
We were. I think it was a mama and her babies, or maybe a daddy and his babies.
Did the grown-up one have antlers on its head?
No antlers.
Then I think it was a mama and her babies.
Oh, Dad said I should give you this. What is it anyway?
It's cocoa for hot chocolate. Would you like some?
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me more about what you saw in the woods.
Support for West Virginia Public Broadcasting comes from contributions from generous viewers like you. Thank you. And from
Segra, providing fiber-based communication solutions on a network that gives businesses the freedom to grow. More information at segra.com.
Hey kids, it's almost time for West Virginia Public Broadcasting's Writers Contest. It's time to begin brainstorming for the WVPB Writers Contest.
I wonder what I will write about. I hope I win. Start writing your story today.
You're watching West Virginia Public Broadcasting.
Thank you.